Good afternoon. I hope you're doing okay with this virus and this quarantine. Um, I'm Cristo Montolio, and I'm gonna talk about the importance of English in my career. In my case, my career is software engineering, so I'm gonna talk about why English is important in that interesting career. I wanna say in first place that English is used for almost all in the world, for communication, for business, for documentation, um, as language, as official language of a lot of countries. And for that reason, English is considered the official language of the world because it's uh, the it's like the easier way to communicate is that, yeah. And in this case it's not the same section because almost all the concepts, almost all the structure, almost all the languages used for programming and used for configure a lot of computers and all that things are in English. Um, I'm gonna give you a little concept of what software engineering is. Software engineering is part of information technology or computer science that is just concentrate on the software. That's part of the cell phones of or computers that we can see, but is the part that control basically the the cell phone, the computer, the devices in general. Um, Software engineering try to always manage how software is created, what's the correct way to give give maintenance, and how to improve the way we can create software. So, um, now give I'm gonna give you the reason of why English is important in this career. I don't know if you know, but almost all the technologies we know today was developed in United States. It started in 60s around, and basically those companies that create those companies like Microsoft, like Apple, the Google, uh, are American. Those companies are American companies, and basically they create the way we can do all this process we use today in English. Um, the way we can programming is in English. All the language used in programming are in English. Um, the documentation, the way we learn are in English. Almost all are in English. Uh, for the reason it was created there, and for the other reason I said before, English is the official language on the world. Is the generic way to learn. Is the generic way to communicate. So that's why English is important, because English is everything in my career. English is the way we can control the computers. We can learn about computers. It's the way that computers learns about us with uh, artificial intelligence. Um, and that's all. That's that's the principal reason. Is because English is all in my career. I hope it can help me. It can help you to understand that studying studying English is a way we can be a better professional in the future, and we can really learn how computers works and how computers can can be better. So, I'm gonna give you a lot of trends for watch this video. I hope you learned something new. I learned something new in reading a lot of articles of the importance of English. So goodbye, and remember, stay at home.